Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to attach the wall dock onto a wall to reload your Dyson V15 detect and of course store it there. We will need the charger. Oh yeah. It's charge our vacuum with or without a dock, and we are going to use it with a dock. We are going to use a wall dock, and our Dyson vacuum drops into the wall mounted charging dock, and it's ready for us next clean. That's awesome, and it's really easy because we only have to attach or to drill two holes if it is necessary, of course. If we do have wooden wooden walls, for example, we do not have to drill holes of it. Okay, but if you have a concrete plate there, we have to drill two holes. Then we get two plugs into it, and then we can tighten the two screws with it. It's really easy. Okay, let's begin. First step is the wall mount itself has to be unlocked first. Maybe you locked it, then you have to unlock it. Use a big flat screwdriver to unlock the back side of it, and then you can swipe it a little bit out of it. Nice. Okay, so it works now. Okay, we know the drill now, and now we are going to attach this to the wall. You have to look, I think, 120 up to 140 centimeters is a good range from the bottom to the dock itself. So you can measure the height of it, and then we can begin to attach this dock to the wall itself. First step is maybe you can measure it, okay, or you can hold it in position and have a look in which height you are going to dock this dock onto the wall, because there are so many possibilities. Because you are a big guy, a small girl, small boy, whatever, and then you can adjust it like you want. And if you reach the right level, you can start to aim it. You can now aim the area where you are going to attach this mount. And if you are find this, you can mark the drill holes, for example. Then you can mark these two drill holes, and of course you have to drill these two drill holes to get this wall dock onto the wall, of course. But in my case, it's easy because we only have to drill two screws into the wall, and then this wall dock will hold in position. That's easy, isn't it? Oh yeah. But what we are going to have to dock there, of course, the back side of the wall dock we have to attach to the wall, not the front side. The front side, because the wall dock is attached by two different things. The wall dock itself and the cover of the wall dock. The cover of the wall dock contains the charger later, and of course our vacuum cleaner. Yeah, of course. Then we have to start now with the second part. The second part is the backside part, and this backside part we can now attach to the wall. Okay, maybe you will get a level to it that it is in one line, and then you can drill the holes and attach it to the wall. Easy. Oh yeah. So good first job. The wall dock is attached. Now the second one is on the screen, yeah? Because now we have to get the charger into position on the wall dock's cover. For the wall dock itself, there it is really easy. You will get the charger and go through the wall dock cover. Then get it in position on the front side of it. Then lock it in position, because there is a little cover which you can go dock down, job's done. Now the charger is in position and holds our Dyson vacuum in position too, while he is reloading the battery. So now there's a little cable management, wire management. We have to lay down this cable or this charger line in this direction. Job's done. Okay, now the next step is we can bring these two wall dog components together. Yeah, that's easy. And then our wall dog is attached to the wall and he is ready to use. Of course, you have to get the charger filled with energy by using the socket. Okay, so job's done. Okay, we have to push it in position, then it locks and the wall dog is in position and we can have fun with it, and we can get our vacuum cleaner, in this case it's a Dyson V15 detect, onto position and have fun with it, because it will have the energy every time and get a super nice vacuum cleaner with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.